So very clean, low mileage, 1999 Honda Civic. Body's nice and straight, little bit of corrosion right there in the corner. Looks like this was tagged slightly. Damage to the bumper there. Let's see if I can get this thing open. Well, there's a way to get the trunk open. There we go. Same little bit of corrosion down at the bottom there, a little bit over there. Downside with this is that the motor is done. Interior is extremely clean. Seats show, for all intents and purposes, no wear. Dash is very clean. 125,000 miles. Find the hood release. Now it looks like, there we go. Handle busted off on that. So this could be a great project for somebody, or if you already have a good motor, or you need parts for another project. But very nice vehicle for somebody to do something with. Thanks for looking. Please remember to like and subscribe so you can see the great stuff we have coming up.